everybody is welcome to come and visit Pasig River Esplanade Phase 3. Free of charge po to, open 24/7.
Yes. So napakaganda, no, napakalawak.
I'd just like to explain our Esplanade. We actually opened up to ang bagong development natin was started at Plaza Mexico, which is behind us, all the way to Fort Santiago ahead of us. That is a total of about 600 meters. So ito po yung pinakamahaba naming na-inaugurate. Additionally, itong area na kung saan tayo ngayon is the Maestranza Esplanade, where we created a 6-meter walkway on top of the river, and we reclaimed 10 meters road lot for a total of a 16-meter width and a 240-meter long esplanade dito. So that is roughly about 3,000 square meters of new open spaces for the public to enjoy. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako po si Assistant Secretary Mark Sambar ng Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. I am the alternate for Secretary Jerry Acuzar as the head of the Pasig River Urban Development Interagency Council, and I am the head of the Pasig River Urban Development Team sa Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. So welcome again to Pasig River Esplanade Phase 3. We officially opened yesterday, February 27, and now it is, as you can see, open to the public, and we have a lot of visitors. Everybody is welcome to come and visit Pasig River Esplanade Phase 3. Free of charge po to, open 24/7.
Yes. Wow.
Sundan lang natin.
So napakaganda, no, napakalawak.
I'd just like to explain our Esplanade. We actually opened up to ang bagong development natin was started at Plaza Mexico, which is behind us, all the way to Fort Santiago ahead of us. That is a total of about 600 meters. So ito po yung pinakamahaba naming na-inaugurate. Additionally, itong area na kung saan tayo ngayon is the Maestranza Esplanade, where we created a 6-meter walkway on top of the river, and we reclaimed 10 meters road lot for a total of a 16-meter width and a 240-meter long esplanade dito. So that is roughly about 3,000 square meters of new open spaces for the public to enjoy. Okay? Nakikita po natin, maganda po ang lighting dito. Especially we're catching it at the right time na pababa na po ang araw. Buhay na buhay pa light up dito.
So guys, ano, makikita nyo, grabe, no. At ayan, ka-open lang ng ilaw, lalong gumanda. So as you can see guys, no, talaga naman ini-enjoy na ng ating mga kababayan dito ang Intramuros Pathway, no, napakalawak.
So as you can see, sir, look at here along the Esplanade, we put up murals for the time being because we wanted to have something for the public. Hindi po. May mga iba pong nag-construct po nito. Yes, sir. We put up murals here for the public to enjoy, yung mga art pieces ng different national artists and local artists po natin with the theme of Philippine history and Philippine national patriotism. Ang yung isang mural po natin is about Bayang Maguilio. We have the history of Manila, and we have other murals by Botong Francisco. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ganyan talaga yung ito yung mga vision po ni Secretary Acuzar. Yes, sir. So nakikita po natin, it is really a long walkway for people to enjoy. Marami pong nakikinabang at natutuwa na mahaba po ang pwedeng lakaran at malapad.
Yes, napakalawak.
Diba? Yan yung importante rin, malapad po siya eh. Hindi po siya masikip, marami po pwedeng dumaan dito, back and forth. Meron rin po tayong bike lane po dito.
So ito pong way po na sir, pang bike lane. Okay.
We have this as our bike lane. Okay.
So may mga
Ito po,
designate.
takot din po siya na open din po sa pagkansyado.
Yes, sir. So, right now, provisionally, makikita po natin mamaya, lagay po ng maliit na booth ang Fort Santiago dito sa may side entrance by our view deck to the moat. So, makikita rin natin na yun yung ano nila, provisional entrance, pwede pong pumasok ang mga tao po doon.
So sir, may mga viewers po tayo nagtatanong how much daw po ang approximate na budget daw po dito na inilaan.
I have to double check. I am
Opo.
not very familiar with the figures right
Yes
now.
po, opo. Ayan, no? Update po.
Rest assured, the funds for this one was primarily through donations of the
Oh,
public
wow,
sector.
okay.
So wala pong ano to sa ang binabayaran lang po ng gobyerno ay probably ang team po namin na nagbabantay po dito.
Ay sir, napansin lang po namin yung picture ni PBBM and First Lady. Kasama din po ba siya na ilalagay po dyan as mural po?
Well, ang gugustuhin nga namin na kasama po sila dahil sila naman po ang talagang arkitekto
Yes, po.
sa buong programa na to. Kaya ang tawag po ng program is the Pasig Bigyan Buhay Muli or the PBBM project.
PBBM, yun.
So, of course, si First Lady at si Presidente doesn't want to take all the credit for it. Kaya sabi nga sa amin na hindi na kailangan yung mukha daw nila. So, napaka-humble naman ang ating-
Opo, grabe no. Talagang makikita mo yung kahambol talaga ng first
Pero,
couple.
to be honest, sila talaga ang, syempre, yung driving force
Yes po.
behind this development here. At, nung nag-inaugurate nga po kami, tuwang-tuwa sila, nakita nila kung paano nating na paganda at na-rehabilitate, na-revitalize itong area na
Yes
to.
po. Almost how many months sir yung construction po bago ma-open po ito or
I think we
ma-launch?
started around November at Plaza Mexico and then we finished around mid-February.
Wow, so napakabilis no
Yes.
ng construction na ginawa. Grabe.
So, right now we're entering the Fort Santiago area already. On the left, there are ruins here that may plano po ang Fort Santiago or ang Intramuros administration i-rehabilitate in the future. So, maybe in the future, magiging ano na rin po ito, mga commercial spaces,
Wow.
ibang mga tourist visitor centers.
Opo, mas more on economy talaga po yung gusto ng ating
And also
Pangulo.
services for our visitors na meron silang mga areas where they can rest. Diba? Kasi
Grabe oh, ang gaganda oh. Ayan po sir, ano po ang ganda ng ano, yan. Yan po yung isa.
na mga development na gustong gawin ng Intramuros
Oo.
administration for this portion of Fort Santiago.
As in, ganyan po talaga sir yung structure niya.
Concepts po siya. Yung structure, syempre iba-iba pa po yung sa loob.
Okay.
Yeah.
So napakaganda and talagang makikita mo yung tibay.
Yeah.
Panghabang ano long term ika nga sabi ni PBBM. Ganda.
Crowd estimate natin, sir.
Yung
estimate natin.
crowd estimate natin, I have no idea pero since I came here around 4 p.m. marami na po.